Hello everyone! Welcome back to Writing Tutorials. If you're new here, this channel is all about helping you write professional, clear, and effective letters step by step, using real examples and simple explanations. In today's video, we're going to learn how to write a pharmacist job application letter. I'll start by explaining what this type of letter is, then we'll go through every single part of the letter. I'll explain what to write, why it's important, and share tips so you know exactly how to write your own pharmacist application letter confidently. Let's begin with a quick definition. A pharmacist job application letter is a formal letter written to apply for a pharmacist position in a pharmacy, hospital, or healthcare facility. This letter highlights your professional qualifications, your understanding of medication safety, your ability to work with patients and healthcare teams, and your commitment to ethical and accurate pharmaceutical care. This type of letter is very important because pharmacists are trusted with patient health, so employers want to see professionalism, responsibility, and attention to detail right from the letter itself. Now, let's break the letter down step by step. Check this out. Sender information. At the very top of the letter, we have the sender's information. This section includes your full name, address, phone number, and email address. Even though this part is not written in sentence form, it plays a crucial role because it tells the employer who you are and how to contact you. Here is the sender information used in this letter. Kevin Thompson, 3148 Oak Ridge Parkway, Madison, Wisconsin, 53704. Phone, 608-5552-947. Email, kevin.thompson@email.com. A good tip here is to always use a professional email address and double-check your phone number, because this is how the employer will reach you for an interview. Date. Next, we have the date. The date shows when the letter was written and helps employers organize applications properly. In this letter, the date is written as May 4th, 2026. Always write the full date and avoid abbreviations to keep it professional. Recipient information. After the date, we include the recipient's information. This section shows that your letter is specifically directed to the organization you are applying to. Here is the recipient information used. Hiring manager. Health First Community Pharmacy, 2210 East Washington Avenue, Madison, Wisconsin, 53704. Even if you don't know the exact name of the hiring manager, writing hiring manager is professional and acceptable. Subject line. Next is the subject line. The subject line clearly states the purpose of the letter, so the employer immediately knows what position you're applying for. In this letter, the subject is Subject, application for pharmacist position. This subject line is short, direct, and effective. Avoid making it too long or vague. Salutation. Now we move on to the salutation, which is something you should never skip. The salutation used here is, Dear Hiring Manager. This is polite, respectful, and professional, especially when the hiring manager's name is unknown. First paragraph. Introduction and career motivation. Let's now talk about the first main paragraph, which is the introduction. In this paragraph, you clearly state the position you're applying for and explain why you are interested in the role. This is your chance to show your professional motivation and passion for pharmacy work. This paragraph is important because it sets the tone for the entire letter. For a pharmacist role, employers want to see commitment to patient care, accuracy, and ethical practice. A helpful tip here is to mention both technical responsibility and community or patient-focused care. Here is the sample paragraph. I am writing to apply for the pharmacist position at Health First Community Pharmacy. I'm interested in this opportunity because I am committed to providing accurate medication management, patient education, and professional pharmaceutical care within a community-focused environment. This paragraph works well because it immediately shows responsibility and purpose. Second paragraph, professional experience and skills. Now we move on to the second paragraph, where you talk about your experience and technical responsibilities. This paragraph is extremely important in a pharmacist application letter because it demonstrates your competence and knowledge. Employers want reassurance that you can safely handle prescriptions and follow regulations. A good tip here is to mention both clinical tasks and regulatory awareness. Here is the sample paragraph. I have experience dispensing prescriptions, reviewing medication orders for accuracy and safety, and counseling patients on proper medication use and potential side effects. I am knowledgeable about pharmacy regulations, inventory management, and maintaining detailed records while ensuring compliance with healthcare standards. This paragraph is winning because it shows precision, responsibility, and compliance. Third paragraph, personal qualities and teamwork. The third paragraph focuses on your personal qualities and professional attitude. In pharmacy roles, employers look for pharmacists who are dependable, detail-oriented, and able to work well with both patients and healthcare teams. A helpful tip is to connect your personality traits directly to patient safety and service quality. Here is the full sample paragraph. I am detail-oriented, dependable, and able to work effectively with healthcare providers and pharmacy staff. I take pride in maintaining professionalism, confidentiality, and a patient-centered approach in all interactions. I believe these qualities would allow me to contribute positively to the quality of service at Health First Community Pharmacy. This paragraph strengthens trust and professionalism. Closing paragraph. Appreciation and interview request. Now we come to the closing paragraph. This paragraph thanks the employer and politely expresses interest in an interview. Keep it respectful, confident, and short. Here is the sample paragraph. Thank you for considering my application. I would welcome the opportunity to discuss how my skills and dedication can support your pharmacy team. I am available for an interview at your convenience. This leaves a strong and polite final impression. Closing and signature. The letter ends with a professional closing and signature. Sincerely, Kevin Thompson. This is the correct and professional way to end a job application letter. So, that's how you write a pharmacist job application letter. From the sender information all the way to the signature, with clear structure and strong content. Before we end, here are some overall tips for writing a pharmacist job application letter. Always keep your tone professional and precise. Avoid exaggeration, focus on accuracy, and clearly show your understanding of patient safety and ethical responsibility. A pharmacist's letter should reflect the same care and attention you would give to medications. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Writing Tutorials for more step-by-step letter writing guides. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.